Okay, thanks for joining me again. We are on to challenge 3 now, something fishy. The royal fishery needs shiny drakes to herd fish into the royal, what does that say? Nets. So the royal fishery needs flashy metallic drakes that they can see easily in water but without wings, so they're streamlined for swimming. Can these parents breed a metallic wingless drake? Okay, well, let's take a look at our parents. So metallic and winged are both dominant traits. So we want them to have the recessive trait of winglessness, but the dominant trait of being winged. So we get their germ cells again. So we need to hit play so they can undergo meiosis and become gametes. So the mother's not going to be able to provide us with wings or the trait for metallic. Now we're happy with the no wings part. We're not so happy with the metallic part. What this means is that pretty much all of mom's alleles are the same because she is purebred recessive. She only has recessive traits. Recessive traits are the only thing she can pass on. So her genes in this particular cross, they don't actually matter. Now from dad, what we're going to need to inherit is the metallic color, but not the wings. We also need to make sure that we inherit an X chromosome from dad, because remember, these chromosomes, the ones with the nose spike or the Y label on them, those are the sex chromosomes. And this target drake is a female drake, so it does not have a Y chromosome. Females are XX, so we would only be considering these two. So let's see. Metallic with wings, metallic with wings. So if we use one of these two gametes for fertilization, the offspring is going to be metallic, which we're happy about, but 100% going to have wings, which we are unhappy about. That means we can't do this. Could we make a boy? Non-metallic, no wings. Yes, we could make a boy. Let's see if we can produce more gametes and get the alleles we need. So again, we want to create a female, so we're only considering these two. Non-metallic, no wings. Non-metallic, no wings. See, we want wings. We want non-metallic. Let's see again. Okay. Non-metallic but without wings. Non-metallic but with wings. Now, some of you might be thinking, is this even possible? Well, the objective here is to explain whether or not it's possible. So based on the information we have here, because this green one contains the gene for metallic, but the gene for wings that we don't want, and its homologous chromosome, this purple one over here, contains the no wings we want and the non-metallic. This is actually impossible to do because these traits are linked to the same chromosome. We would have to get the no wings trait onto this chromosome so that we would have a recombined chromosome that was half green, half purple, contained an allele for a metallic color, but also the allele that corresponded with no wings. So this is actually an impossible task. We are going to get the tools in order to solve it. What I need you to do to earn your quill and to move on to the next challenge is to explain why it is impossible to create this drake, this female drake that is metallic but without wings, and use that concept of traits being linked to the same chromosome to explain that. Once you made your journal post, start up the next video, and it'll be the final video for this week's challenges.